Urgent weather message. National Weather Service. Huntsville. AL 333 PM CST Friday, March 8, 2024. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Moulton, Town Creek, Russellville, Decherd, Rainsville, Boaz, Lynchburg, Scottsboro, Estill, Springs, Fayetteville, Cowan, Athens, Decatur, Arab, Guntersville, Fort Payne, Tuscumbia, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Albertville, Sewanee, Winchester, Red Bay, Cullman, and Huntsville. 333 PM CST Friday, March 8, 2024. Wind advisory in effect until midnight CST tonight. Watt, southeast winds 15 to 25 mph with gusts up to 40 mph. Where? All of northern Alabama and southern middle Tennessee. When? Until midnight CST tonight. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. And